Directorate of Health Services Manipur and National Health Mission Manipur today observed World Hepatitis Day. On the occasion, State Health Minister L. Jentukumar inaugurated National Viral Hepatitis Control Program, Model Treatment Center at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jenims, Porompat. The minister also inaugurated the Model Treatment Center at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. Japanese encephalitis has claimed one person in Dhubri district, while acute encephalitis syndrome has taken lives of 8 people, including a minor in the district. The district health authorities in Dhubri are on alert following detection of 20 cases of Japanese encephalitis and 55 cases of acute encephalitis syndrome across the district. Bhutan is gearing up to hold the toughest and most challenging ultra-marathon of the world, Snowman Run, on October 13, 2020. As per a report, the 300-kilometer run will start from Gasadong and end in the Bumthang Valley of Bhutan. The participant of the Snowman Run will cover high altitudes of 5,320 meters, discovering their daring strength and willpower through the ultra-marathon. The Taliban today informed that they will not hold direct talks with Afghan government and rejected a statement from a senior minister about plans to hold the meeting within the next 2 weeks, according to sources. Earlier, State Minister for Peace Affairs Abdul Salam Rahimi said that the government would be represented by 15-member delegation during direct talks with the Taliban in the coming 2 weeks.